Look at this store, Mark. It is very big and bright.
Yes, it is huge. I see many beautiful things here.
We need a new sofa for our living room.
I want a sofa that is very comfortable.
I want a sofa that looks modern and stylish.
Look over there. That gray sofa looks very soft.
The color is nice, but it is too big.
Our living room is not very small, Emma.
I have the measurements on my tablet. Let's check.
You are always so organized with your plans.
I want everything to fit perfectly in our house.
What about that blue sofa near the window?
The blue color is beautiful. Let's go and see it.
I like the shape of the cushions too.
It has wooden legs. That is a very classic style.
Is the price good for us? I see a tag.
It is $800. That is a good price.
Let's sit down and test it. I am tired.
Oh, this is very soft. I like it.
It feels like a cloud. I can sleep here.
No sleeping in the store, Mark. We are shopping.
I am just kidding. It is very cozy.
The fabric feels very strong and high quality.
Is it easy to clean? We have a cat.
Yes, the label says easy to wash.
That is perfect for us and our cat, Toby.
Should we buy this blue sofa today?
Let's look at the dining tables first.
Okay, the tables are in the next section.
Lead the way, Emma. I'm right behind you.
I want a round table for our kitchen.
Why a round table? I like square tables.
Round tables are better for small spaces.
I see a wooden one over there. It is round.
This wood is very dark. I like light wood.
Dark wood looks more expensive and elegant.
But light wood makes the room look bigger.
That is true. Let's look for a light wood table.
Here is one. It is made of oak.
It is very smooth. I like the texture.
It has 4 chairs. Are they comfortable?
Let me try one. Yes, it is good.
The back of the chair is very straight.
It is good for my back. I like it.
How much is the table and the chairs?
The set is $500. It is a deal.
Can we fit it in our car? It is big.
No, we need a delivery service for this.
Does the store deliver on weekends?
I can ask the manager later. He is busy now.
I want a new lamp for the table too.
You want many things today, Emma.
New furniture needs good lighting, Mark.
I like that black metal lamp. It is cool.
It is too industrial for our kitchen.
Everything I like is too something for you.
I just want a harmonious home.
I know. Your taste is very good, Emma.
Let's look at the colors for the cushions.
More colors? This is going to be a long day.
Look at these yellow samples. They are very bright.
Yellow is too bright for me. My eyes hurt.
What about this soft gray? It is very calm.
Gray is okay. It is a safe color.
I want a little bit of color. Maybe dark green?
Dark green is nice. It looks like a forest.
It matches the blue sofa very well.
Are these pillows expensive? They are small.
No, they are $20 each. We need 4.
$80 for pillows? That is a lot.
They make the sofa look much better, Mark.
Okay. You are the designer here.
I also need a new rug for the floor.
A rug? The floor is beautiful without a rug.
A rug makes the room warm in winter.
I like warm feet. Let's find a soft rug.
This white rug is very soft. Touch it.
It is white, Emma. Our cat is black.
Oh, you are right. White is a bad idea.
Let's find the brown rug or a dark gray rug.
This patterned rug has many colors. It is perfect.
It hides the cat's hair very well. I like it.
You are very practical today, Mark.
I am learning from you. Practical is good.
I am putting everything in the list.
Sofa, table, chairs, pillows, and a rug.
We are almost finished with the living room.
Do we need a bookshelf? I have many books.
Yes, we need a tall one. Let's find it.
I see a tall white one over there. Let's go.
This bookshelf is very tall. It has 6 shelves.
Is it stable? I don't want it to fall.
We can fix it to the wall. It is safe.
I need my measuring tape. Where is it?
It is in your jacket pocket, Mark.
Oh, here it is. Let's measure the height.
It is 2 meters tall. Is that okay?
Our ceiling is 2.5 meters. It fits.
How wide is it? We have a small corner.
It is 80 centimeters wide. Let's check the tablet.
The corner is 90 centimeters. It is perfect.
We are very lucky today. Everything fits.
The price is $100. It is very cheap.
It is made of simple wood, but it is strong.
I can paint it later if I want a new color.
You want to paint new furniture? Why?
Because I like to change things sometimes.
You are a very creative woman, Emma.
I just like a beautiful house, Mark.
I am happy to help you with the painting.
Thank you. We can do it together on Sunday.
Now I am really hungry. Can we finish now?
Just one more thing. A small mirror for the hall.
A mirror? I can see my face in the window.
No, a mirror is for the light and style.
Okay, one mirror. Then we go to the cafe.
Deal. Let's find a mirror with a gold frame.
Gold is very shiny. I like it.
It is right there, near the entrance.
Let's go and take it. Then we pay.
We have a big list today. Are you ready to pay?
My credit card is ready. My heart is not.
Don't worry. It is an investment in our home.
I know. A happy home is very important.
Hello, we want to buy these items, please.
We have the codes here on the tablet.
We need a delivery service for the sofa and the table.
And for the bookshelf too, it is very heavy.
Can you deliver everything on Saturday morning?
The manager says Saturday is full. Sunday is open.
Sunday is fine. We are both at home then.
How much is the delivery fee for 5 items?
It is $50. That is not very expensive.
Okay, $50 is fine for our backs.
I am signing the delivery form now.
I am putting my PIN code into the machine.
The total is $1,500.
It is a lot of money, but the furniture is great.
We will have a beautiful living room, Mark.
I am excited to see the sofa in our house.
I will buy some flowers for the new table.
And I will buy some new books for the shelf.
That is a great plan. We are a good team.
Do we get a receipt for the warranty?
Yes, the lady is printing it now.
I will put it in my wallet. It is safe there.
Thank you for your patience today, Mark.
You are welcome. I love shopping with you.
Now let's go and find that cafe.
Yes, I want a big burger and a cold drink.
The coffee here is very good. I feel better now.
My burger is amazing. I was very hungry.
I am looking at the photos of the furniture again.
You are obsessed with that sofa, Emma.
It is just very pretty. I love the color.
We need to move the old chair on Saturday.
Yes, we need space for the new blue sofa.
I can give the old chair to my brother.
That is a good idea. He needs a chair for his office.
We also need to clean the floor under the table.
I will do that on Saturday morning.
I will help you with the heavy things.
Thank you, Mark. You are a very strong man.
I try my best for our home.
I am excited about the new rug, too.
I hope the cat likes the rug. He is very picky.
Toby likes everything that is soft.
True, he will sleep on the rug all day.
Our house is going to be so cozy this winter.
I want to buy a small heater too.
No more shopping today, Mark. We are finished.
Okay. Only furniture for today.
I am very happy with our choices.
Me too. You have a great eye for design.
And you have a great eye for quality and prices.
We are the perfect shopping partners.
Let's go home and tell Toby about his new rug.
I will drive the car. You can look at the photos.
Thank you. See you at home.
Goodbye, store. See you on Sunday for delivery.